This package arrived at my house today and I could quite literally not contain myself with excitement. I've been wanting to get into FPV for quite a while, just watching people, and just thought about how incredibly fun it looks. And yeah, finally committed to getting my own kit. So I have literally zero experience with FPV flying, and this video is gonna go from that to the first actual flight. I've worked with DJI a lot as a brand, so I bought the DJI controller and goggles, and then I got a Gap RC Cinelog 35. Apparently it's really good for just stable shooting, cine shooting, which is what I'm looking to get more into and add to my skill set. At the moment, my skill set is a lot of Movi and directing. The first thing I did was look on Reddit at the Reddit forum, and Joshua Bardwell's name kept popping up everywhere. If you're new to FPV or you want to try it out, I would 100% recommend just looking at this guy's videos, because he explains everything in such detail that even if you have no idea about anything in FPV, he'll explain it and you'll understand. So I downloaded the liftoff simulator, connected my controller, and got started with that. It was really hard at first. It just doesn't come naturally, FPV flying to me anyway. But I ended up clocking up about 15 hours of practice, and after that I felt like I was ready for my first real flight. So yeah, this is going to be the very first flight, the first time I've flown FPV properly. I've flown the Avata just with the motion controller thing, and that was pretty easy, but this is a whole nother thing. I've been dreaming about this, man. I'm so nervous. I'm so fucking nervous, dude. I can just get off the ground and just cruise around and be in control and land. That's sweet. All right, let's see how this goes. I'm gonna record it on the O3 in case I just crash just immediately through someone's window or something. So, all right, let's go. Windy. Forgot how to arm it, what I set to arm it, how to do it. Also, it says air, level, and the other one, it doesn't say acro, so I don't know. Hopefully it's in acro mode. Whoa. It's up. Alright, we're flying. I'm not recording. Fucking hell. Okay, shit. I don't know what happened. Okay. Here we are. Feels similar to the game. Too loud, eh? Alright, we're flying, man. Whoa. Yeah, it's in acro mode. It must just be good air for the DJI. Oh, and it's windy too. Do a nice easy turn. Yeah, it's really not too loud. Oh man, I'm so nervous. I can't believe we started like that. I want to do some cool shit, but also, this is expensive. I don't want to break anything. I don't want to bother anybody today. I just want to get comfortable. Fly as well. Wonder how it goes with the GoPro. Oh, my whole mouth is dry from when it just kicked up before and went crazy. Soft, comfy landing ready. Sick. Should be disarmed. I don't know how to disarm it, man. I know. Fuck, I found it. There we go. Whew. Oh my god, that was so nerve-wracking. It's crazy how much a sim can just teach you. Because if I hadn't flown in acro mode before, you would just smash it immediately. Here it is. Honestly, it doesn't feel too hot. The air unit feels fine. It's windy, man. Alright, we're on the second battery, so let's go for another one. I'll try and get more comfortable. I'll figure out the arming, disarming, why it's taking a long time, but everything seems happy. Let's try again. What do I press? There we go.
We're up. Fuck, it howls when it really howls when when you accelerate. Okay. Look how high we are. Let's go up over the tree now. It's windy up there. Alright, that's it. I'll try a little loop. A little spinny thing. See if it does it. Ready? Oh my god, oh my god. Yeah, that was easy. Dude, that was easy. Let's have a look in here. That will go slow. Easy. Still don't see any people. Let's do another loop. Oh, stop leaning, you idiot. Dude, I keep leaning like... That's easy. I thought that was such a crazy like trick that FPV people would do, but man, you just press that joystick across and it just does it. My battery. I'll try to land it a bit closer to me this time. Or maybe just set that because I accelerated. Every time I accelerate, it pulls the volts down. Now it's really saying it. Okay. Remember to disarm it when I land. There we go. Thump it down. It's like a whole nother experience. It's so cool. It's like you're just flying. It's like, why wouldn't anyone try this? You want to experience what it's like to fly? Like, try it, FPV drone. Dude,